In this video, I wanted to see how effective ChatGPT would be at generating a working algorithm for TradingView. You'd be amazed at the results, they were so good. Anyway, check it out. The first thing I did was I went to ChatGPT and asked it to make me a trading bot for TradingView. Here's what I did. How good is that? Now you'll see here that it's used version 5, but realistically we can change that to version 6 straight away. So pretty solid. Let's take it over to my TradingView and see if it actually is going to work. Yeah, I'm coming along and I'm just going to paste that code straight into here. Now the only change I'm going to make is changing this to version 6 instead of version 5. I'm going to save it and let's see what happens. Okay, that all compiled correctly, which is great. I can add that to my chart. And now we can do a backtesting report here. Look at that. Not such a great profit on this one, but created a $39 profit on $1 million over the last couple of weeks. But it's a good start. So let's see what else we can do with this. I went and retrieved the trading bot that the previous prompt designed for me, and here it is here. So I just changed a couple of parameters in there. Once again, I updated that to version 6. And if I go ahead and have a look at my strategy tester now, generate a report, this generated a total profit of $14,422.84. And the longs definitely beat that at $24,000, and we had a bunch of losses on the shorts. But total profit wasn't too bad, particularly given that the time period was only really the last 18 days. So I'm pretty happy with that. I went back to ChatGPT and I asked it to take the script that generated more profit and to add some alerts to it. So I'll show you what happened there. Okay, so far so good. There's our little stuff. There's our strategy entry, strategy exit conditions. You can see here we've got our alert conditions. Okay, it's looking good so far. Let's see what happens when we plug this straight back into our trading bot. Select that, copy and paste it there. You can see the alert conditions are here. And I'm just going to compile it, saving it. Okay, that all compiled fine and it's been added to the chart. So and there's our message there. Okay, let's create it. And yep, it's all activated there. So I'll leave it running for a little while. I'll see if any alerts pop up and I'll let you know what's happening.